Hey everybody. Hey, I just want to put some news out there. I want to congratulate all of the California immigration consultants who are registered and bonded. Today we had a victorious day. And I just want to really congratulate everybody because today was a big victory for California immigration consultants. Today was the day where Assembly Bill 638 was defeated, and that was the bill that was targeting California immigration consultants, trying to basically abolish them from the state. And thank goodness, the efforts of so many of you guys who rallied together under the leadership of many great organizations. And I want to also just put a thank you out there to so many of the people that really kind of made a difference, starting with the 100+ immigration consultants that really rallied their senators aggressively and continuously to get them to understand that this bill was bad for California's immigrant communities, along with organizations that were part of the coalition effort. Tom Heyman from National Notary Association, thank you, Tom, and also Bill Anderson, whose efforts were just tireless and relentless. Thank you, Bill, for your leadership. Renee Waite and Jim Negrete from the National Association of Immigration Professionals. You guys are just amazing, amazing people. And Ricardo Marquez from National Association of Immigration Consultants. Your dedication to the field has just been incredible and long-standing. And along with so many hardworking and good immigration consultants, just gosh, so many, too many to name, but I just know that a few of the people that just worked tirelessly, Hugo Acosta and Carlos Sotomayor, and so many others that were part of, not only rallying their senators, but also multiple visits to Sacramento and, really pushing hard to achieve this victory. So again, I just want to put the congratulations out there and also put the thanks out there. Our senators got this one right today, everybody. Thank goodness that they protected our immigrants in California and their right to be serviced by non-legal practitioners who offer an alternative, who offer a lower cost for those people that are able to be assisted by immigration consultants. And this was a very important victory also, and probably even most importantly, to the millions of immigrants that are based here in California. And hopefully this will also really show the nation that immigration consultants are legitimate professionals, just like any other profession out there, just like insurance professionals or real estate agents, or tax professionals or CPAs. Yes, the guidelines and the rules vary a little bit in this industry, but the answer is not abolishing good people. The answer is making sure those people have the proper training, that they know their limitations, and that that there are regulations in place that will go after the bad actors who are actually out there hurting and taking advantage of the immigrant communities. So anyway, today and tonight is just a breath of relief, I can tell you. So many of you I know have felt that fear, of possibly being in business after 20 or 25 or 30 years and having literally tens of thousands of clients, and then having our government, the state of California, trying to say that, that you don't have a legitimate reason to be out there. And I felt so many of your guys' pain over the last year and a half. And I can't tell you how grateful I am, how thankful I am that that the senators got it right today. Thank goodness they listened. Thank goodness they didn't, that they didn't get fooled by the myth that that immigration consultants can't do a good job. We look forward to really seeing this industry grow, and we look forward to really looking for real solutions, not abolishing a whole industry, But, you know, it's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. You know, immigration consultants, just like any other professional, they should be required to have mandatory training. They should be tested for their competency. They should have required continuing education. And that's the direction that we need to start taking this effort. We want to see immigrant community members protected, and we want to make sure that immigration consultants know what they're doing. And so that's the direction that, you know, that we really need to start heading in. And I know that that ourselves, along with our other coalition members, and I'm sure the very, very vast, if not the entirety of the immigration consulting community, you know, would stand by and approve of, you know, of these measures as well. So let's have a great night, everybody. Let's go out, have a cerveza, maybe a shot of tequila, whatever, you know, whatever your poison is, maybe a little bit of wine, and let's celebrate this victory. And again, thank you guys so much. I'm proud to be a part of this community of professionals, and have yourselves a great night.